Hello, my friends. It is time for a new Flip It. And guess what? There are so many things that go along with this. And look at how cute. You are also getting that word Mary. Okay, now I know you're looking at this going, oh, okay, that's awesome. But you know, yes, you can use this every day as well because the stamp set, I can't wait to show you. Okay, wait. Oh, there's so much. Now, this release all literally goes together. Everything in this release goes together. It all coordinates. So here we have the Flip It, right? Then we have dun, 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 a stamp set that comes with two. It comes with two. So you're getting this fun shape here to go in the center of your Flip It. You are also getting words. Now, what words are you getting? You're getting Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Winter, Hello, the ampersand. So you could say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, or Happy Winter, or Hello, wishes being sent your way, and lots of little icons down here at the bottom. So awesome. Now, you are also in the same package getting this stamp set. So you are getting these fun Christmas trees, these two little presents, and this fun stocking, and to and from in case you wanted to make a tag. Cute, right? Now, if you want the dice that match this, dun, 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 they are right here. You are getting that Christmas tree. The ornaments are separate, which is awesome. You are getting a cute little thing to go up at a little star. You're getting little holly berries. You're getting holly. You're getting a fun 2 different snowflakes and the shadow dies that match, and the cute little stocking and 2 presents that match as well. Okay, but are you ready? Remember how I said everything goes together? Here we go. It is called Christmas Fun Collection. You know I had to throw in a little pink because Christmas is pink, at my house at least. Look at these presents. Now, is that Christmas? Yeah. Is it birthday? Yeah. Is it congratulations? Yeah. It is anything, right? Now, let's look at some of these others. Oh, we have this fun, easy dot. Perfect for anything, right? But look, you guys. Oh, wait. I have dies for those. Oh, yay! Love it, right? Oh, cute Christmas trees, cute stockings. Here we go. Oh, wait, there's another cutout page with my dies. Love it. Okay. Oh, a fun stripe, a fun little mini presents. Oh, mini trees. Yay. Oh, mini stockings. The word Merry. Oh, wait, where'd that Merry come from? Oh, yeah, that's right. That's in this die set. Merry, 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 Merry. Look at that. Oh, and the baby snowflakes. You gotta love the snowflakes. Lots of dots, plaid. Oh my goodness. And then we start all over because you know what? You get 2 sheets of each. Now, you would have thought we would have put this all in a kit, right? But I know there are so many of you that are gonna want more than one of these pads. So I thought, let's keep them fairly separate. The only thing that's in a kit are the 2 stamps are together. The 2 stamp sets are together. The rest is all separate because I know 90% of you are gonna buy more than 1 pad. That's just how it happens because those cutout sheets are perfect for everything, right? Now, I have tons of samples to share with you. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. First of all, look at these adorable tags that Sheila made. Absolutely positively simple. The children in your lives can make these for you. Look how cute. 2 from, you got that covered. She actually doubled them up so they were just kind of doubled, which is really fun. I love that. So simple, right? Oh my word, look at this one. This is so gorgeous. This is the Elegant Edge card. This is the A2 card, but look how beautiful that is. Chris added all these fun little decorated and colored in images. Open it up. Wishes being sent your way. Merry Christmas. I love it. And I love that pink plaid back there. Ooh, look at this one. Merry Christmas. Flip it, sure. Or just use the die by itself. Right? Check that out. Merry Christmas. And I love this. She added a piece of our clay pieces like this right here. Oh, wrong one. Our clay pieces. She found one of the Santas and she glued just one Santa right there. Isn't that stunning? And she used our stitched rectangles. Love it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Flip it time. Look at that. Merry Christmas. Yes, those words fit perfectly in there. See that stamped image all the way around in die cut? Look at that. And you can write your message. You know I love my flip-its. Ooh, here's another one. Merry. Merry again. And then Christmas. Look at that. All those presents in that tree. Isn't that fun? Okay, we're saving that one for last because that's my favorite. Okay, here we go. Here's another Merry. Adding those trees. Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I could do it all day. I could do it all day. I really could. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Sometimes we forget. Every once in a while, you need to use black. And here's the perfect example. Look at that. Merry in black. Open that up. Christmas. Isn't that beautiful? Sometimes a splash of black is just, oh, yummy, yummy. Look at how fun this one is. Merry wishes being sent your way. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Okay. Ooh, here's a fun one. I love this. Make your own pattern paper. Merry Christmas. But wait. Room for a message. Room for a message if you make it the hidden panel. Isn't that awesome? Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, we're using our cute little moose. Look at him with a little hat on. Merry Moose. Oh, hey, jolly, have a holly jolly Christmas. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, by jolly, have a holly jolly Christmas. Look how cute that is. Absolutely love that. Now, look at this one, you guys. Oh my goodness. Michelle, oh, the coloring on here. The masking that she did, and she made those rainbow trees. Aren't they beautiful? I love them. Now, don't forget, you also have the die that matches these also. So you get to mix and match, right? Merry Christmas. Open it up. She's got her decal edge rectangle on the inside. Last but not least, because it uses the most gorgeous glitter paper I've ever seen in my life. This was in the day-to-day kit, the black and white kit. And I don't even know how anyone could use it because I love it so much. But, oh, look at it. Look at that, Merry. Okay, look at that. Look at that sparkle. It's like you're at the jewelry store or something where they have those extra lights to look at all the jewelry. But isn't that stunning? Merry, and then wishes being sent your way. And look at all those fun snowflakes on here. Absolutely beautiful. Now, club members, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. I highly recommend, if you're in love with this, you get at least 2 paper pads. They will sell out. The paper pads will not be available once they sell out. So get them quick. Yeah, it's a pretty awesome pad, right? I know, it's awesome. And you know, you don't have to use this for Christmas. It could be every day as well. You just use that frame and stamp whatever you want on the inside. I absolutely love it. Oh, go get it quick before it's gone. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.